Yes, you're welcome back. We are going to continue with sorting in PHP. Okay, sorting an array. Okay, um, the other time we talked about how to sort in a numbers array. Okay, and we sorted this numerically. Okay, let me quickly explain this again. Sort is a function that you can use to sort items in an array in ascending order. Okay, this sorts in ascending order. Okay, this, if it is a number, it will sort it numerically in ascending order. For example, this, when you check the result of this, you see that we have from 5 to the highest number here, which is 8. That this is ascending order. Okay, good. Okay, what if you want to sort in descending order? You are going to use r sort, as in r, then sort. That's another function. This one will sort in reverse. Do you understand? That is descending order. Then you save it. Then we will check it. We check it. You see, that's descending order. Okay, good. That is sorting a number. Then what about string? When you have strings of values in an array, how are you going to sort it? It's just the same procedure. The only difference is that the array is sorting alphabetically. Okay, it's sorting alphabetically, while this one is sorting numerically, but they can all sort in either ascending or descending order. So I have actually prepared a code for this. Okay, because it's just the same thing. The only difference is you have to make little changes, like you change numbers and put it there. You add strings. Okay, so I'll just copy this from where I saved it here and explain it to you. Okay, just the same thing with this. So I will comment this out. I'll comment this out. Come down here, comment it out. Then I will paste the order. Good. Now let me explain this. You created in a cars array. Okay, just like you created numbers array here. You created cars array. Then you use an array function. You entered values of cars. This is what you've done before. Okay, enter the values of the cars inside the array. You see, if you watch, see that they are all inputs separated by comma. This is so important. Okay, separated by comma. Then here you use sorts. You are sorting the cars. Okay, so you use sort function to sort the cars. Okay, then you come here, you define car array. Sorry, car length. What do I mean? The number of cars, the number of items in this cars array. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 items in this cars array. Okay, good. So this cars length, this cars length variable is assigned to this number of cars. Okay, if you echo this out now, you're going to see 4. Okay, you're going to see 4. Maybe let's try it so that you understand what I'm talking about. Maybe I can delete this later. I will put it back. Okay, I'll just cut it. Okay, then I will echo cars length underscore length. Okay, so that you understand what I'm talking about. If you echo car length here right now, you see 4. Do you understand? It means that the items in this cars array is just 4. You get that now? So that's what we just did here. Use count function to count the number of items in an array and assign it to cars length variable. That's what you did right here. Okay, let me undo this and then put back the other code. Okay, save it. Good. Now when you come down here, having gotten the number of items in this cars array, you are going to use for loop. Okay, for loop to loop through this array. Okay, loop through this array and bring out these items. Okay, good. So I've taught you about for loop. Here you define a variable. You can call it anything. It can be anything at all. Okay, but I will use x to make it easy. Okay, then we assign it 0. That is the index. You know, the index starts from 0. Okay, upwards. So we assign it 0. Then we now make a condition here that if x, which is presently 0, okay, if x continues to be less than cast length. Remember that cast length is what? 4. That is to say, if x continues to be less than 4, that's what it's talking about. Okay, keep echoing this cars. That's keep echoing these cars. Okay, now when we come here now, you see that we echo car, and the cars we are echoing, we are going to echo a car based on the index of that car. Let me explain it very clearly. This is a for loop. Okay, then first of all, this is 0. Are you getting me? This is 0, and when this 0 is, when this is added here, it means that you are echoing car with index of 0. Are you getting me? It means what? That you are echoing car. That is, you are displaying car that has index of 0, which is this one. The first car here has index of 0. This one index of 1, 2, 3. You get that now? Good. And when you echo the car with index of 0, you come down here, you echo break. That's you break to the next line. You don't want it to echo to come out on a straight line. You just want it to break to the next line. That's why you echo break here. Okay, then you come on. You know it is a loop, so it has to come over again. As long as this condition remains true, it has to come over again. It will come over here again, and when it comes, remember this, please. Remember this is so important. This will immediately count as immediately this is echoed. This counter will count. Are you getting? That is, this counter will add number 1 to 0. You know, this is plus plus x plus plus. That is x plus 1. So presently x is 0. You need to add plus 1. Okay, to add 1 to 0, it becomes 1, isn't it? And when it becomes 1, it will come here, and now it is 1. It will check whether 1 is still less than this car length, and it is true. It will come down here again and make this 1. Then it will echo car that has index of 1, which is this one. After echoing it, it will count again. Then it will add 1 again to the 1. It becomes 2. Okay, and it will come here again and check the condition again. 2 is still less than 4. Are you getting me? Then it will have, it has to come again and they add 2 to this and echo this car. Okay, it continues. It will add 1, becomes 3. Once it echoes this, the condition ceases to be true. The condition becomes false, and when this condition becomes false, like when, you know, after echoing 3 and it adds 1 and becomes 4, 4 is no longer less than car length, because car's length is 4. You get that? So once the condition becomes false, it will stop running. The loop will end. That is, the loop will terminate. So that is the idea here. That is just what we did here. There's no need for you to understand it, because we will soon be going into some complex coding, especially when we start a project. So there's no need for you to understand all these little logics here and there, so that by the time we get into the normal coding, it won't pose any much challenge to you. Okay? Alright, so having done this, I think everything is in order. Let's check what we get. So we just go and you run this. Do you see? It echoed, and it echoes it in alphabetical order, descending order. Okay, starting from B, N, T, V. Okay, and if you want to echo this in ascending order, oh sorry, it's echoed in ascending order, please. In ascending order here, you get me this ascending order from B to V. Okay, so if you want it to go to be echoed in descending order, you put R sort like you did before. Okay, here, so you put it here, R sort function will reverse the sort, and it will be echoed in descending descending order, please. In descending order. This is descending order. If I remove R, it becomes ascending order. Okay, and remember that this time around it is alphabetically, it is echoing alphabetically. Okay, alright, let's quickly try it. You see, it will reverse there, this, and this is descending order. Okay, thank you so much.